Hey folks, so I stripped the grips and restored them, restored them, got all the cracks and this and that and the other out. I'm about to go do the medallions, hence the tape, and then I got to get the tape residue off, and then I need to refinish them with my proprietary blend, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, I'm back. Did the medallions. Take off the tape. See what we got. And then I will strip them a little bit more to get the tape residue off. Okay. Now, get the black stuff, the black polishing compound, off of the actual medallions. Yeah, it's coming off nice. Okay, got that one off. And that one kind of shines like new money. A little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. It's not too bad looking. Now I just need to take this, get all of the tape residue off. That should be pretty good. More off the bottom, you're not gonna hurt anything. Okay. I think we got all the tape residue off. Do it on this one. Whilst trying not to get the medallions. Okay. Now, wipe this off. All the residue off of it. Okay. Now do this. Hang on. Okay, I got all of the stuff off. I'm gonna use my proprietary blend. And away we go. This may take a little while. I may have to use a shop towel. You don't want to get too much on there. You also don't want to get too little. There we go. Now we start like this. Okay, I can tell that this is not going to work. So I need one of these. towels. I don't want to leave streaks. So here's what we do. Huzzah. Look how that looks. Nice. Let's see here. We can get it down in the cracks. Might need this for that. Okay, let's see here. And that's good enough for that. Let's see here now. Let's really get this thing rocking and rolling. Okay, these two are good to go for the moment. Let me just put them in here. What the hell is this? Really? Okay. Now we gently place them somewhere else. Then we put the lid back on it. And good. We go put some mineral spirits on this. Get the stuff out of it. And 24 hours, we'll dry it up. I meant in 24 hours, it's time to open up the cookie tin. Put them in the cookie tin so that you don't get any dust on them.